Hello everyone, today I will show you an efficient tool for mochi ice cream production, YC-166 fully automatic stuffing and traying machine. It can handle 3 processes of stuffing, powdering and traying at one go, with a production capacity of 10 to 80 pieces/minute, which can easily cope with mass production. The product weight range of 10 to 100 grams just matches the mochi ice cream of different specifications. The machine has many highlights. The hopper is equipped with a sealing device, and raw materials with high oil content such as mochi will not leak oil or material, ensuring a clean production environment. The spiral variable pitch push design makes the material discharge uniform and stable, and the 25 mm thick auger shaft is particularly durable. There is also a double anti-eccentricity guarantee. The dough thickness is uniform, the ice cream filling will not deviate, and each mochi is perfectly formed. The powder is evenly sprinkled without caking. The tray is also neatly arranged, and the tray size can be customized, up to 400 by 600 mm.